Dear Dinka learners, welcome back again to our YouTube channel. This week we are only learning numbers in Dinka language. Let's 2 days we learn numbers from 1 to 10. Yesterday we learned numbers from 11 to 20, and today we are going to learn from 20 to 30. 20 to 30, that is numbers in Dinka language. So let us begin to read them from number 21 to 30 down here. Watch the video to the end so that you can learn how to read numbers in Dinka language. Let's begin from 21. 21 in Dinka is called Tiaro Kutok. Tiaro Kutok. This one, Tiar means 10 row. That means 10 times 2 row mean 2. 10 times 2 is equal to 20. That means Tiaro Kutok. And Tok mean 1. Ku mean and Tok mean 1. That means Tiaro Kumet Tokting. Kabo Tiaro Tok. That means Tiaro Kutok. 22. Tiaro Kuro. Tiaro Kuro. Tiaro Kuro. 23. Tiaro Kudiak. Tiaro Kudiak. Tiaro Kudiak. 24. Tiaro Kungwan. Tiaro Kungwan. This is nga. Nga. U and na. Nga. U and na. Ngwan. Tiaro Kungwan. 24. Tiaro Kudich. No, 25. Tiaro Kudich. Tiaro Kudich. Tiaro Kudich. This is the E-H. Dich. Tiaro Kudich. Dich means 5. 26. Tiaro Kudatem. Tiaro Kudutem. Tiaro Kudatem. Datem means 6. 27. Tiaro Kudoro. Tiaro Kudoro. Tiaro Kudoro. Doro. The O Ra O U. The O Ra O U. Doro. Doro means 7. 28. Tiaro Kubet. Tiaro Kubet. Tiaro Kubet. 29. Tiaro Kudongwan. Tiaro Kudongwan. This is Dongwan. What do you mean 9? The. This is the. O. Nga. U. And na. Dongwan. Tiaro Kudongwan. 30. 30 mean Tiardiak. 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 This is Diak. Diak means 3. And Tiar means 10. That means 10 times 3 is equal 30. Tiardiak. So let me make a quick recap. 21. Tiaro Kutok. 22. Tiaro Kuro. 23. Tiaro Kudiak. 24. Tiaro Kungwan. 25. Tiaro Kudij. 26. Tiaro Kudatem. 27. Tiaro Kudoro. 28. Tiaro Kubet. 29. Tiaro Kudongwan. 30. Terdiak by William Majak. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, watch the video to the end, and like the video, share the video to your loved one. Let us learn Dinka language together. So this is the end. Tomorrow, I promise you, I will bring numbers in Dinka from 30 to 40. From 30 to 40, step by step, until we reach 1000. You guys are waiting to see how we call 1000 in Dinka language. Please wait, just subscribe, turn on notifications so that when I upload the video, you will be the first person to watch the video. Okay, bye bye. Nyali Kawek Kuyania. William Majak.